Hey guys, this is Jess here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. Today I'm going to show you the Reflection 337 RLS floor plan. It is a large rear living floor plan for the Grand Design Reflection line. So come on in with me and we'll check it out together.
Summit RV, camping made easy. Summit RV, vacation fun.
Okay guys, so it's kind of hard, as big as this fifth wheel is, to get the entire RV in one shot, so we will do our very best here. So as you can see, starting on the side here, we have a power awning with LED lighting and marine grade outside speakers with blue LED lights. We have a large pass-through storage compartment that is completely finished. It does have motion sensor lighting as well as a battery disconnect, which is going to allow you to prevent yourself from killing your battery accidentally while you're traveling. It does have aluminum folding steps that won't rust or bind. It is protected by the Arctic Insulation 4 Seasons protection, which is so nice because it is going to give you a little bit of extra camping time as those temperatures haven't warmed up quite yet or are getting colder. Here at the rear, you're going to see that we have a roof ladder already installed, and we do have a very sturdy walk-on roof that you can get up there and maintain your roof every 90 days. Inspect those seals for any cracking or chipping or anything like that so that you will extend the life of your RV and your roof. It is prepped for the Furrion plug-and-play backup camera. We have a 2-inch receiver hitch where you can add a bike rack or a storage rack. We have fifth wheel rated tires with aluminum rims. These tires are nitro filled and they are guaranteed from Lion's Head. This RV is equipped with 50 amp service, and it does have an LED light so you can tell that you've got your RV power hooked up correctly. This is a detachable power cord, so you can throw it right here in this very large pass-through storage compartment. This is your universal docking station. It does have a motion sensor light right above it. You have hot and cold water in your outside shower, and then you have all the guides you need right here, how to control everything so that you can camp for whatever situation that you're in. It is heated and enclosed, so you don't have to worry about those ports freezing and busting. Your electronic leveling system is right here. And as you can see, the undersides of all of these different areas have LED lighting as well. That just gives you a little leg up when you're in the dark, when you're camping. You can see this does have a black painted front cap, and this is painted with automotive paint, so this should not fade or peel or crack or anything like that, because it is not a decal, it is painted. So now we're going to head inside here, and you can see we have laminate flooring throughout, and something that I love about Grand Design is that they put all of their heating ducts in the sides of cabinets along the floor, so they don't have to put holes in the floor to put in a heating duct. It makes your floor stronger and it's going to last longer. It's just something that they do, and also you don't have to worry about like anything getting down in your vent, pet hair, something falls and drops and goes into the vent. There's just a lot of things that can happen that this makes it a little bit easier for you. So as we head in here into this rear lounge, you can see that we have theater seating. It does have massage and heat and lights in your cup holders. We do have a hide-a-bed to add additional sleeping space here at the rear, and each seat has an outlet next to it so you can plug in your electronic devices. We have a Titan Flame electric fireplace, and it is a 1500 watt 750 and 1500 dual heat settings. This will heat up to 500 square feet, so you can use this to take the chill off when it's cold outside when you're not quite ready to turn on your furnace. We have a flat screen TV And we have the quick touch wireless streaming system from Furrion that is going to stream to your inside and your outside ports, or speakers, I'm sorry. This RV is equipped with a very nice sized kitchen. We have dual opposing slides that give lots of floor space and allow for a kitchen island. And then of course we have freestanding dinette with roller shades on the windows that is going to give you privacy, help control temperatures, and as well keep some sun out, so it's going to prevent fading of your furniture and help protect the life of your RV. Now over here in the kitchen we have a pantry with shelving, and it does have a motion sensor light inside the pantry as well. We have a 3-burner cooktop, and then of course the Furrion self-lighting oven underneath. We have a convection microwave. This is an extra large digital microwave, and it has a built-in convection oven. This is a gas and electric refrigerator and freezer. And even though these are smaller than a residential style refrigerator, the benefit that this has is that you can run this off of your LP tanks when you don't have electricity. So it makes dry camping a whole lot easier. There's lots of storage above and below the extra counter space that this hutch provides. And then here on the side is all of your controls for everything. You've got your tank sizes and fills, your slide buttons, and of course your awning lights, and your power awning switches. Over here in the kitchen island, we've got a residential style faucet, an undermounted stainless sink with seamless custom made sink covers. These are solid surface countertops, so you don't have to worry about anything chipping, cracking, or peeling there. You've got ample storage underneath the sink, and then somewhere to put the trash can. As we head here into the bathroom, there's a very large shower with a seat and a skylight above, so height is not going to be an issue in this bathroom. We've got a towel closet and a towel rack, a porcelain toilet with a foot pedal flush, and then we have a very nice size vanity with counter space and a sink. And then we have a really nice medicine cabinet as well. Here in the master bedroom, we've got a residential size queen size bed, and then a really nice walk-in closet with double mirrors. There is a place to mount a flat screen TV, and then you have storage above and below the window and a nice big dresser. This RV does already have the second air conditioner installed in the bedroom. Now in the master closet, you can see there's lots of floor space. It is carpeted. You have built-in shelving, and there is a place that you can install a washer and dryer. Alright guys, so thanks for checking out this RV with me. Again, this is the Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS floor plan. It is a large rear living with lots of storage, double patio space outside, and lots of backlighting. So come check it out here at Summit RV. We're located in Ashland, Kentucky on Route 60. We are open Monday through Saturday year-round. Right now, Monday through Friday, we're open from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. On Saturdays, we're open till 5. We are locally owned and operated by the same local family since 1976, and we are very proud of that here at Summit RV. So come see us. We'll love to help you. If you have any questions, give us a call at 606-928-6795 or send us an email to sales@summitrv.com.
RV camping made easy. Summit RV vacation fun. Summit RV.